Welcome back to MotriX, the channel where power, passion, and the pure thrill of speed come alive. Today, we are going deeper than ever before, into the story of a car that doesn't just push boundaries, it shatters them. A machine that signals the next chapter of Lamborghini's wild and fearless journey. The Lamborghini Temerario 2025. Get ready, because this isn't just a car review, it's a look at a beast designed for the future, but still carrying the untamed DNA of the raging bull. The name Temerario itself means bold, fearless, and daring in Italian, and that's exactly what this car represents. It's the successor to the legendary Huracan, a car that defined a generation of supercars with its screaming naturally aspirated V10. But Lamborghini knew the world was changing. Hybridization, electrification, sustainability, all of these words are redefining the automotive world. And Lamborghini had a choice: either stay stuck in the past or leap boldly into the future. With the Temerario, they chose to leap. And what a leap it is! Let's start with the heart of the machine, because every Lamborghini lives or dies by the power it produces. Gone is the famous V10, and in its place sits a revolutionary 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. But Lamborghini didn't stop there. They fused it with 3 electric motors, one integrated between the engine and gearbox, and 2 more sitting on the front axle. The result is a plug-in hybrid system unlike anything we've ever seen in a mid-engine supercar. Total output, around 907 horsepower. That's not just power, that's chaos controlled with surgical precision. Imagine the ferocious growl of a turbocharged V8 mixed with the instant torque of electric motors. It's a symphony of old-school drama and futuristic energy. Performance numbers back it up. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. A brain-melting 2.7 seconds. Top speed, 343 kilometers per hour, or about 213 miles per hour. Those aren't just statistics, those are bragging rights in a world where only a handful of cars can even dream of reaching such figures. But here's where the Temerario really shines: it's not just about speed in a straight line. Those 2 electric motors on the front axle create a system of torque vectoring so advanced that this car seems to dance through corners. Imagine carving through mountain roads, every curve, every bend handled with absolute precision, as if the car reads your mind before you even move the steering wheel. This is not just brute power, it's intelligent power. Inside the Temerario, Lamborghini has built a cockpit worthy of a spaceship. Slip behind the wheel, and you're immediately struck by the fighter jet-inspired design language that Lamborghini is famous for. A fully digital cockpit glows with futuristic graphics. Switchgear feels tactile and mechanical, every button reminding you that you're in control of a raging beast. Carbon fiber stretches across the dashboard, Alcantara and fine Italian leather cover the seats, and the driving position wraps around you like a tailor-made suit. This is not just a car interior, it's an experience, designed to make you feel like the pilot of the future. But Lamborghini didn't just want to build a car for the road. They wanted to build a car that could conquer the track as well. That's why the Temerario isn't stopping at the road-going version. Lamborghini has already confirmed a GT3 racing version for 2026, and a dedicated Super Trofeo 1-make racing variant by 2027. That means this machine is built with motorsport in its DNA, designed to dominate both streets and circuits. And for Lamborghini fans, that's the reassurance we all needed, because hybrid or not, the racing spirit is still alive and well. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Lamborghini has been walking a fine line between tradition and innovation. The Aventador replacement, the Revuelto, gave us the first plug-in hybrid V12, proving that hybridization didn't mean losing soul. Now, with the Temerario, Lamborghini is saying goodbye to the naturally aspirated V10 and welcoming turbo hybrid technology. For purists, it might sting. But here's the truth: without these innovations, supercars like this wouldn't even exist in the next decade. Strict emissions laws, environmental pressures, and the march toward electrification mean that staying stuck in the past is not an option. The Temerario proves that Lamborghini can evolve, adapt, and still remain unapologetically wild. Every curve of its design screams Lamborghini. Low, wide, aggressive, this car looks like a predator ready to strike. Sharp aerodynamic edges, massive air intakes, and a rear that looks like a jet fighter's exhaust system. The car isn't just about looking good, though. Every vent, every line is functional, channeling air, increasing downforce, and cooling that monstrous powertrain. Lamborghini has always believed design and performance go hand in hand, and the Temerario is no exception. Whether you see it in Verde Mantis green under showroom lights, or hear its engine roar down a track, it's a car designed to leave an impression that you'll never forget. Of course, we can't talk about the Temerario without looking at its place in the Lamborghini family tree. The Huracan was an icon, beloved by enthusiasts, and often seen as the more approachable Lamborghini compared to the Aventador. It was wild, but manageable, and became one of Lamborghini's most successful models ever. Replacing a legend is never easy, but the Temerario doesn't just replace, it reinvents. It takes everything people loved about the Huracan, the drama, the speed, the everyday usability, and injects it with futuristic technology that makes it ready for the next decade. And while performance and design take center stage, there's another story here, the story of sustainability. Lamborghini has committed to cutting its environmental impact, and the Temerario is part of that mission. With its plug-in hybrid system, it can run on pure electric power for short distances, perfect for city driving. That means you get the drama of a Lamborghini when you want it, but also the ability to glide silently, guilt-free, when you don't. This dual personality is the future of supercars, and Lamborghini is making sure it's not just efficient, but still emotional. But let's be honest, numbers, technology, and sustainability aside, a Lamborghini is about one thing: emotion. The way it makes you feel when you start the engine. The way people turn their heads when you drive by. The goosebumps when you press the throttle and unleash almost 1,000 horses waiting to charge. The Temerario doesn't forget that. In fact, it amplifies it. It's more aggressive, more advanced, and more daring than any Huracan ever was. Imagine pulling up in this car, doors opening, the Verde Mantis paint sparkling under the lights, the interior glowing like a fighter jet cockpit. It's not just a car, it's theater. Lamborghini has always been about drama, and the Temerario carries that torch proudly. Some might say hybridization takes away the soul of supercars. But the Temerario proves the opposite. It shows that technology can enhance the experience, not dilute it. The instant torque from the electric motors means power delivery is sharper than ever. The twin-turbo V8 provides the drama and the roar. Together, they create something entirely new, something that feels both familiar and futuristic at the same time. And here's the thing, this is just the beginning. Lamborghini has confirmed its first fully electric model, the Lanzador, is on the way for 2029. The Temerario sits perfectly in this timeline, bridging the gap between the old and the new. It's a symbol of Lamborghini's future, proof that even in a world heading toward electric cars, the spirit of the raging bull will never die. So, is the Lamborghini Temerario 2025 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's fast, it's furious, it's beautiful, and it's bold enough to carry the name Temerario. It respects Lamborghini's past while charging headfirst into its future. This car isn't just another chapter, it's a turning point. And that's why it belongs here, on MotriX, where we celebrate the machines that redefine what's possible. So, what do you think? Has Lamborghini nailed the perfect blend of power, technology, and drama? Or do you still miss the naturally aspirated V10 of the Huracan? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, because we love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a journey into the world of speed, luxury, and performance. The Lamborghini Temerario 2025 is not just a car. It's a revolution, and this is only the beginning.